If you are withdrawing your EPF amount in July 2025 and don't know how to fill Form 15G for EPF withdrawal, then this video is for you. You have to submit Form 15G if your PF amount is above 50,000 rupees but your total service is under 5 years. In that case only you have to submit Form 15G. If the PF amount is less than 50,000 rupees, then you don't need to submit Form 15G irrespective of your total service. Similarly, if your service is above 5 years, then even the PF amount is above 50,000 rupees, you don't need to submit Form 15G. I will give the download link of this Form 15G in the below video description. Just click on that link and you can download this Form 15G in the PDF format. After downloading this Form 15G, fill it with a pen. And you have to fill only the part 1, there is no need to fill the part 2. Here I have filled this Form 15G in the Adobe Acrobat Reader, but you have to write it with a pen. Let's see how to fill it. In field number 1, write your full name as per your EPF account. In field number 2, write your PAN number. In field number 3, write status as individual. In field number 4, write previous year. Previous year means financial year. Right now we are in the financial year of 2025 to 2026. So write 2025 to 2026 here. And the residential status is Indian. From field number 6 to field number 13, write your address details. The address need not to match with the address mentioned in your EPF account. Just mention the current address here. In field number 14, write your mobile number. In field number 15, if you have filed any income tax returns for the current financial year, then tick yes, otherwise tick no. If you tick yes, then mention the assessment year for which you have filed the income tax returns. In field number 16, write EPF amount that you are withdrawing. Remember that Form 15G is only for the PF amount. You don't need to include pension amount here. Only write PF amount here. You can check your EPF passbook to see how much PF balance you have. In field number 17, you have to write your estimated annual income, whether it may be your salary or any other incomes, plus the EPF amount that you have written in the field number 16. For example, your estimated annual income in financial year 2025 to 2026 is 2 lakh rupees. Then 2 lakhs plus 70,000 is equal to 2 lakh 70,000 rupees. The simple way to calculate your estimated total income is, for example, your monthly salary is 50,000 rupees and you have worked only for the 4 months in financial year 2025 to 2026. Then 50,000 into 4 months equal to 2 lakhs. For the 2 lakhs, you have to add the 70,000 rupees. So here the total amount has become 2 lakh 70,000 rupees. So like this, you have to calculate the estimated income. In future, if you have got a new job and your total annual income is above income tax slab limit, then you have to file the ITR. Remember this. In field number 18, if you have submitted any previous Form 15Gs for bank FDs or recurring deposits or post office deposits, then you have to mention those details. Under total number of Form 15Gs, you have to mention how many Form 15Gs you have submitted, whether it is 1 or 2. And under aggregate amount, you have to mention the total amount for which you have submitted the Form 15G. In field number 19, you have to mention your EPF account details. Under serial number 1, write 1. Under identification number, write your UN number. Under nature of income, write EPF. Under section, write 192A. Under amount of income, write the same amount that you have mentioned in the field number 16. It is the EPF amount that you are withdrawing. Under signature of the declarant, put your signature. Next, come to the declaration or verification part. Here, write your name again and come to this part. Previous year ending on. Right now we are in the financial year of 2025 to 2026. This financial year will end on 31 March 2026. So you have to write 31 March 2026. If you are withdrawing your EPF amount before 31 March 2026, you can copy all the years like in this video. Next, you have to mention the assessment year. The year next to the financial year is called assessment year. It is 2026 to 2027. Same details you have to write again. Here you can see previous year ending on is 31 March 2026 and assessment year is 2026 to 2027. Next, mention the place in which you are residing and mention the date on which you are applying for the EPF withdrawal, and again put your signature here. This is part 1 of the Form 15G. Form 15G also has another page. It is part 2. you don't need to fill this part. It will be filled by the EPFO officer. But when you are scanning and uploading Form 15G, you have to scan both part 1 and part 2 and upload them while submitting Form 19 for EPF withdrawal. Here you can see an option called Upload Form 15G, and the file size should be less than 1 MB and the format is PDF format. So this is how to fill Form 15G for PF withdrawal. Still, if you have any questions, ask them in the below comment section. For more videos like this, subscribe to HR Cabin. Thank you.